Karon mga kailan, ani ay pila ka pulong gikan sa atong sponsor. Ma! Landa ko ba? Dako ko buhaga test! 100! Mare. Kahal ba sa klase anay mong anak ko eh? Unsa may mong hihimo mare? Pakanon ako siya sige og kay-kay. Kay-kay mga kailan! Kay-kay! Kung gusto niyang mahawad sa klase ang inyong anak, pakan sila og kay-kay. Ayaw ang double body. Mahay mong parisan ng barlis. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like an old-time movie of a ghost from a wishing well, in a castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet. You know that ghost is me, and I will never be set free as long as I'm the ghost that you can see. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind that drugstores sell. When you reach the part where the heartaches come, the hero would be me. But heroes often fail, and you won't read that book again, because the ending's just too hard to take. I'd walk away like a movie star who gets burned in a three-way script. Then enter number 2, a movie queen to play the scene in bringing all the good things out of me. For now, love, let's be real, I never thought I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it back. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like an old-time movie of a ghost from a wishing well, in the castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet. But stories always end, and if you read